Good afternoon, friends. My name is Durga Bawaskar and I am from MSc Chemistry, part 2nd year. Today's my seminar topic is face powder. So in this seminar, we will discuss about the face powder. Friends, these are the contents of my topic. Firstly, we will see introduction, history of face powder, ideal properties of face powder, and components of face powder. In components, we will see boric acid, magnesium, and iron analysis. Now firstly we will see introduction. What is face powder? Face powder is an indispensable article of ladies' cosmetic range. A face powder is basically a cosmetic product which has its prime function the ability to complement skin color by imparting a velvet finish to it. So friends, why we use the face powder? Because we know that their benefits. Face powder not only help us look good by enhancing our skin tone but also help us smell good and feel fresh. Now we see the history of face powder. Face powder has been in existence since ages. It all started when the Egyptian women used to dab their faces with a mixture made up of chalk or clay. The purpose here was not for beauty reason, but the main intention was to stay away from evil spirits. Later this dabbing of chalk and clay mixture started taking a turn towards beauty, and women used to color their faces to cover up their tan. Also, women from the royal families and those with higher status believe in having their faces painted white. Now, you see in this figure that before and after applying the face powder, the skin tone is changes. It changes into white. Now we will see the ideal properties of face powder. How is my face powder actually? So it should be produce a smooth finish to the facial skin. My skin small visible imperfection of the face and shine due to moisture or grease from perspiration or secretion of sebaceous and sweat glands. It must produce a lasting effect so that frequent application is unnecessary. It should make face pleasant to look and touch. It must adhere to skin. Degree of opacity can vary from opaque to almost transparent. Now we will see that components of face powder. First, boric acid. Boric acid are added to some cosmetic as a preservative and antibacterial agent. It is determined by acid-base titration method, that is also called direct titration method, determined by titrating with standard sodium hydroxide solution in the presence of polyhydric alcohols such as glycerol or mannitol. This glyceryl boric acid acts as a strong acid and can be titrated against a standard NaOH solution using phenolphthalein indicator. The concentration of boric acid in the powder sample will be calculated then. Now we will see the magnesium analysis. Firstly, we will standardize the EDTA solution. For standardization of the EDTA solution, we will pipette out 25 ml of standard Sedan solution into clean conical flask. Then add 20 ml of pH 10 buffer. Then 15 ml of water. Stir and add a few crystals of the Eriochrome black tea indicator. Titrate with EDTA solution until the color changes from wine red to a clear blue. Then now we will determine the unknown magnesium present in sample. So for that we take unknown quantitatively, transfer it to a 100 ml standard measuring flask and dilute it to the mark. Then transfer exactly 10 ml of prepared unknown solution into volumetric flask and add approximately 15 ml of pH 10 buffer in it. Add 25 ml of distilled water. Add a few crystals of Eriochrome black tea indicator. Then titrate with standardized EDTA solution to a clear blue color. Now we will see how to analyze iron. We know that Fe positive gets easily oxidized by air oxygen. Most commonly reduction is done with tin chloride. So what are the reagents for analysis of iron? First is 0.02 molar potassium permanganate solution. Then Ren hardened Zimmermann solution. 0.7 tin chloride in hydrochloric acid solution. 5% of mercury chloride solution and some amount of distilled water. Now we will see the procedure of this iron analysis. Firstly, boil the iron solution. Then add drop-wise SnCl2 solution to agitated iron solution till the yellow color disappears and then 1 drop of excess. Then cool the solution. Add fast 10 ml mercury chloride solution. If the precipitate is grey, don't titrate sample. In the separate flask, mix 400 ml of water with 25 ml of Ren hardened Zimmermann solution. Then add that reduced sample to the flask. Then titrate with permanganate solution until a faint pink color passes for 30 seconds and then calculate. Guys, thank you for watching my videos.